Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the highest gaining stock in 2023 as of December 9th, 2023. So by now you're watching this video, it's early 2024. We're essentially just looking back throughout the year to just look at the highest gaining stock. And I want you guys to guess, and I'm going to guess as well. Do you think the stock that had the highest gains for the whole year of 2023, do you think it was a mega cap stock, large cap, mid cap, small cap, micro cap? I'm going to lock in my answer, and I'm going to say it was probably a smaller mid cap that got bought out, in my opinion. So I'm going to guess that it is a stock, but if they got bought out, they wouldn't be showing on FinViz. So I'm going to guess, unless it was recent, I'm going to guess mid cap. So higher than $500 million market cap. So we're on FinViz, the world's greatest website. We're going to go to Screener. And we're going to look at all of the different parameters here, and we're going to go to performance. Excuse me. Performance, year to date, positive, or what's custom? Period is going to be year. Well, year to date, and it's, well, okay. So year to date performance, we're just going to do plus 100%. All right. So now we're seeing a whole bunch of stocks. Let's redo the settings here. Custom settings, and we're gonna look for year to date. Oh, right here. Performance year to date is here. Okay, so we're good. Let's close out of settings. And let's go back to our screener. Let's get out of the filter. Okay, year to date is still showing here. All right, and the highest performing stock for 2023. There was 266 companies that had over 100% gains this year, by the way. The highest one goes to Soleno Therapeutics. The stock is up 1,768%. Market cap is $1 billion. Let's just take a look at the stock and see where we could have bought. All right, well, it was a $4 stock back on September, and there was some good news, I'm guessing. 500%. It's a pill that controls hunger and obesity causing genetic disease. Cool. Good for them. So that is why the stock literally went 1,700%. And the stock all-time high was 740. So absolutely crazy. And you can see that the float here is low. They have no sales. That's so annoying. So what I anticipate the company's going to do is probably do an offering to take some of this new money that's in this company now to put into the business. So I would expect some type of offering. So lesson learned here. I don't want to say this was a pump and dump because it hasn't dumped. And also, it's good drug news. So very, very high risk, high reward situation here. Would you have invested $4? Would you have invested into a $4 stock that has $0 in sales? No. I mean, I wouldn't have. So you answer that yourself, but if I would have found this stock at $4 and saw 0 sales and they're losing 33 million, I would have been, what the hell are they thinking? Oh, yep, and a ton of insiders have been selling on this news, which, go figure. Perceptive Advisors has been buying a ton. And they bought even more at $16 and $20. That's crazy talk. Crazy talk. So my takeaway here is I would research Perceptive Advisors LLC. Maybe they know stuff about stocks that I don't. But this one, yeah, $4 trading at $4 and then no sales, losing money, not profitable. Yeah, I would have passed on this. So no real big takeaways for SLNO. Let's look at a couple others. Applied Optoelectronics. This one went 945% and it's still going. Let's see. Let's look at the, oh, this is the daily chart. So literally this stock back in June was $1.79. Crazy. So they make 218 million. They lose 62 million. Not bad. This looks okay. It looks like they haven't been as good as they were back in 2018. Since 2018, sorry, my English. Their EPS is kind of scattered. Looks like the shares outstanding are continuing to grow. This could be dilution or it could just be a natural release of shares from hedge funds, institutions, insiders back into the pool. Let's see, are insiders selling on this news? Yeah, but some are also buying. Well, Murray Stevens, that was an options exercise, but William Ye, they sold quite a bit. So, and then a lot of others did sell back when the stock was $11, $10. So now it's 19 and it doesn't look like it's slowing down. And let me move my head. There's the stock. So this one's got some legs, seriously. It could be working out to fulfill, you know, this is a very similar pattern that was on Renesola, ticker symbol SOL. It was essentially fulfilling a cup and handle within a cup and handle within a cup and handle. So stay with me here. Let me see if I can actually just zoom in. So we have the left side of our cup right here, right side of our cup right here. Let me move it. Then we have our handle, which is this throwback, and then now this is going up. So if this is accurate, the cup height is $16, the cup low is $1.50. So $14.50 plus $16.50 brings us to about a price target of $30, which is going to be about right here. If we do see a momentum blow off top, we could see it get to 48, 49, then a throwback probably down to 25. So I'm going to say that again. A blow off top to about 47 to 59 dollars, then a huge pullback to 25. Then we see another leg up to $98. And that's only if the company continues to execute. I don't know if the company's executing. Let me look at their numbers really quick. Nothing too spectacular. Their revenue for Q3 was 62 million. Their profit was very high, albeit last year, December Q4, they had 61 million in revenue and they had 55 million in profit. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I'm looking at, let's go to routers here. Why is it? I was looking at the wrong thing, my bad. I was looking at their cost of revenue being their profit. So yeah, ignore me. In terms of gross profit, this is the best gross profit they've ever had, going back to, gosh. Well, quarterly gross profit. And all these numbers appear to be slightly off down here. So the highest quarterly gross profit, good for them. I mean, other than that, let's look at their balance sheet. We'll look at the quarterly. Nothing really sticks out. Total assets 373 million, total liabilities 195 million. Again, nothing really exciting or, sticks out. So if this company continues to execute, we could see a huge cup and handle. Stock goes up to $100, comes back down to like 63. And I'm just saying 63 because that's where our latest support in this area is. But I mean, a company making 218 million, I don't see it. Look at this. People are already trying to, I don't want to say take advantage, but they're 26% of this stock is shorted. That is bananas. So 32 million shares available, but if you quarter that, it's actually 24 million available. Crazy. Okay, so Optoelectronics Electronics, this was more of a technical move. If you ask me, I don't see anything that really catapulted them into the stratosphere. They had a great Q2, but yeah, I don't see like any one-off events. So technical wise, I know I've covered this video before and I've had this price target. Let me see. I might have it in my notes. That would be awesome. Where's the notepad? Okay, so that's a new note. Let's look at the overall sticky notes list. All right. Did I have AAOI on here? AAOI. I did not. Okay. I wonder if I covered it in another video. And the reason I know I've had it before is because when I do my calculations math, it comes out to being a high dollar stock. And we can do that right now, actually, just so I can show you guys. And again, that was when the stock was trading at $1. So it's gonna put it. So 218.78 million. They're losing 62.44 million. Cash, they have 21.94. Total debt, they have total debt. Get out of here. 125 million. Ooh, that's bad. 25.8. It's a lot, actually. This is actually not as good as I thought. Divided by 32.5. So this is a $1.60 stock trading at 20 bucks. So this is 100% a technical move, in my opinion. Big money got in before the move. And you know who got in? Who always gets in early? This hedge fund, this trading firm always gets in early. Renaissance Technologies. They're always, oh, look at this. There was some back end collaboration with big money, like, hey, this one's ready for a move. Renaissance Technology is always early. Oh, would you look at that? They purchased 867,000 shares on November 14th. November 14th, the stock was $11. Okay, so they didn't get in early. Unless. No, I think they did get in early because if you guys can see my screen. One sec. So look at these columns right here. Sorry, right here. Change in shares right here, total shares, average price, reported value. So the change in shares, remember this column right here. I'm just going to keep my mouse in this column and we're going to go back down to Renaissance. Okay. It changed 209%. So they did have an earlier position. They added on to it. So crazy, so crazy. I wonder if I can see when they first bought this. They're always so early and they always kill it. And it's so annoying because I think someone just needs to make a Renaissance Technology stock that just follows them. We're looking for AAOI. Nothing. Okay. Oh, okay. It showed a few positions. It doesn't show their initial position, which is kind of annoying, but yeah, just insane. So again, Renaissance Technology is always early. There, I could do a whole video on them. Anyway, looking at this video is about the largest stocks this year that made the largest moves. I'm going off on tangents trying to find, value in finding these in the future. The biggest takeaway for number one is you would not have been able to accurately and confidently predict that the FDA or whatever would approve that drug. So super speculative. Be very careful. But I'm just gonna leave it at that because we're already over 15 minutes and I don't want to take too much time. Thank you so much if you made it this far. I like you a lot. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, hit the dislike button, leave a comment. Have a great day or night. Bye.